Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Physics Easily. So 12th lesson 4 problems தான் discuss பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தோம். First 10 problems already discuss பண்ணியாச்சு. இந்த வீடியோல 11 to 15 problems discuss பண்ணலாம். Question read பண்ணுங்க. A 50 cm long solenoid. So length value is 50 cm. Centimeter meter convert பண்றப்ப by 100 na 10 square. அந்த 10 square மேல வந்துச்சுன்னா 10 power minus 2. Has 400 turns per centimeter. So number of turns straight kudukla, it is 400 turns per centimeter. So in the solenoid evlo long 50 centimeter long. Adnala 400 into 50, so 20,000 the number of turns. Diameter of the solenoid is 0.04 meter. So radius adalande calculate panniralam, diameter by 2, so 0.02 meter. Find the magnetic flux. So idhula magnetic flux என்னன்னு find out பண்ணோம். When it carries a current of 1 ampere. So current value is 1 ampere. So magnetic flux calculate பண்ற formula phi b is equal to mu naught n square ai divided by L. So idhula எல்லா datasum தெரியும் except area. So first calculate area. A is equal to pi r square. Pi value 3.14, radius value 0.02 meter. So 0.02 2 into 10 power minus 2 எழுதலாம். So 3.14 into 2 square 4 minus 2 into 2 10 power minus 4. So 3.14 into 4 means 12.56. So 12.56 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. So this is the area value. Now substitute all the values. Mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Number of turns is 20,000. So square irkanala 20,000 into 20,000 into area value just now we find out 12.56 into 10 power minus 4 into current value is 1 ampere divided by length. Length of a solenoid is 50 into 10 power minus 2. So idhula ஒரு 0 cancel பண்ணிடலாம். 5 table 1 time, 5 table 400 times. இப்போ just number split பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. First 4 into pi value 3.14. வேற என்ன numbers இருக்கு? இங்க 2 4s are 8. அந்த number மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். 12.56. Now calculate the powers. இங்க 10 power minus 7. இங்கே 1 2 3 4 zeros, இங்கே 2 zeros. So which is 10 power 6, 10 power minus 4. இந்த 10 power minus 2 மேல வந்துச்சுன்னா 10 power plus 2. Okay, 4 8s are 32. So 32 into 3.14 into 12.56. Calculate the power. Minus 7 minus 4. So 10 power minus 11. 6 plus 2 8. So 10 power plus 8. So idiyo ninga multiply pannalam or you can take log also. So log is very easy. Log 32 value 2 digits, so 1 point. 32 la 0 pathina 5051. Next find out log of 3.14. Before decimal point 1 digit, so 0 point. Log la 31 la 4 paakano. 31 la 4 4969. Next log of 12.56. Before decimal place 2 digits, so 1 point. 12 la 5 paathitte mean difference 6 oda add pannom, so 0990. Since it is in multiplication means log value add pananum. So add pannina you will be getting 3.1010. இதுக்கு antilog find out பண்ணோம். antilog எப்படி பார்க்கணும்னா decimal அப்புறம். So 0.10 ல 1 பார்க்கணும். அப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you will be getting an answer 1262. எப்பவுமே antilog எடுத்துட்டு first digit பக்கத்துல decimal place வைக்கணும். into இந்த 3 வந்து 10 power 3 ன்னு எழுதணும். So this is your answer. Substitute here. 5b is equal to 1.262 into 10 power 3. இங்க power calculate பண்ணா minus 11 plus 8. So 10 power minus 3. So இந்த ரெண்டு பவரும் cancel ஆயிடும். So the final value is 5b is equal to 1.262. The unit is Weber. So this is your final answer. Next 12th problem, very easy problem. A coil of 200 turns, so number of turns 200, carries a current of 0.4 ampere, so current is 0.4. Magnetic flux is 4 milliweber. Milli means 10 power minus 3. Find the inductance of the coil. So inductance and find out panno. Simple equation, L is equal to N phi B divided by I. All the datas are known. N value 200, phi B value 4 into 10 power minus 3. Current value is 0.4. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 2 into 2 zeros are 10 square, 4 into 10 power minus 3. இந்த 0.4 4 by 10 ன்னு எழுதலாம். 4 by 10 means 4 into 10 power minus 1. So இந்த ரெண்டு 4 மே cancel ஆயிடும். 2 minus 3 minus 1. இங்கேயும் 10 power minus 1 இருக்கு. So 10 power minus 1 cancel ஆயிடும். So the remaining value is 2. We know the unit for inductance is Henry. So the answer is L is equal to 2 Henry. Next problem, read the question. Two air core solenoids having the same length of 80 cm. So length is 80 cm. Centimeter to meter na into 10 power minus 2 meter. And same cross sectional area of 5 cm square. So 5 cm square. Centimeter to meter ipadan paathom 10 power minus 2. So inga square irukanaala 10 power minus 2 the whole square. So 5 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Find the mutual inductance. So mutual inductance and find out pannu. If the number of turns in the first coil, so first coil nala N1 is equal to 1200, and in second coil, so number of turns in second coil is 400. So mutual inductance equation, M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 AL. Okay, this is the equation, but we already know that N is equal to capital N divided by L. That is number of turns per unit length. Appa same way N1 ku eludunona N1 is equal to N1 by L. Next N2 ku eludunona N2 divided by L. So write this, substitute in this equation, mu naught N1 N2 AL divided by, இந்த N1 க்கு ஒரு L வரும், இந்த N2 க்கு ஒரு L. So L square. So இது ரெண்டும் cancel ஆயிடும். M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A divided by L. Now substitute all the datas. Mu naught value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. N1 value is 1200. N2 value is 400 into area value. Area is 5 into 10 power minus 4 divided by length. Length value is 80 into 10 power minus 2. So cancel பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு 0, 8 table 1 time, 8 table 5 times. Next step, 4 into. What is pi value? 3.14. Powers லாம் தனியா எழுதிக்கலாம். 1200 into 5 5s are 25. Now solve the powers. Minus 7 minus 4, so 10 power minus 11. In the minus 2 மேல போச்சுனா plus 2, so 10 power plus 2. இங்க ஈஸியா சால்வ் பண்ணோம்னா இங்க ரெண்டு ஜீரோஸ்க்கு இந்த டெசிமல் பிளேஸ் போய்டும். ஓகே, அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும்? ரிமைனிங் வேல்யூஸ் 314 இருக்கும் into 12 இருக்கும். இங்க 25 4s are 100, so 100 at 10 square minus 11 plus 2, so 10 power minus 9. So very simple multiplication. 314 into 12 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 3768. 2 minus 9, 10 power minus 7. Okay, so this is a mutual inductance value. Its unit is Henry. So இது வரைக்கும் விட்டாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். You can also modify this equation. M is equal to 3768. இந்த நான் எப்படி எழுதுறேன்னா 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Okay, so M is equal to, so 3768 into 10 power minus 4 na I am getting 0.3768. 10 power minus 3 Henry na 10 power minus 3 is milli Henry. So இதை round off பண்ணி எழுதுனீங்கன்னா 0.38 milli Henry. So this is the final answer.